Okay, we're in just right after the opening bell here. So let's open up the option chain and let's take a look at the chart. Okay, let's see. Well, let's start off play normally. Let's go down by a small put, like $1 something. So yeah, got a put, and looks like it's going up against me right now. So let's add another one here. So we got 2 contracts right now. So let's just hold it for a little bit and see what happens. So speeding up the process here, so you don't have to sit around and just watch dead air. So that's moving at a faster speed. Okay, so we are in the red. Let's add one more contract. Now let's see how that goes. So let's add one more since we are still in the red. Just averaging down. And we just getting the market just going against us. Let's keep going up while we holding put. So already minus 95. Look at that, almost $100 down. So let's add one more here. So we've got 5 contracts in hand. Need to average down, right? So at the present time, our average price is $1.10. Okay, starting to move in our direction. So let's see. Well, let's speed up the process a little bit so we don't have to sit around and just wait. Oh, forgot the date. Yes. Okay, here I'm showing you the date. I'm going to show you. So for April 10th, 2025, 6:35 Pacific Standard Time. Okay, there you go. So let's go back here. We are now only minus $15. Now we're in the green. So green. Let's sell one contract, take a little bit of profit, and let's just sit back a little bit and see how things go. So rather than sit and wait for a long time, let's speed up the process a little bit. Let's speed it up. And it looks like the market is just stagnant. It's just sitting around there, not moving a whole lot. And at the present time, it's going against me. So I'm in the red, as you can see. Minus 24, minus 20, well, minus 36 now. So, yeah. Let's just sit there and wait. Let's see if the market would be in favor here. Let's add one more contract to average down since we already minus 41 there. As you can see, I pretty much just swing things, There's no certain strategies or patterns or anything like that. So let's add some, let's taking profits here, selling a couple contracts. So we're up in the green, $59. So we're following the trend this time. Play normal. taking a little bit more profit. So right now it's holding only one contract. Today I'm just going to play small, and the target price is going to go for maybe $300. Since just playing small, and just want to show you that you can have a small account, but you still need to have enough a budget size enough. Enough size budget in order to play this outrageous 0 DTE. So we are now switched to call. Let's go and play reversal. Let's play the against the trend here. So all the put. So let's see. Okay, let's take a little bit profit here. Now let's see what we're gonna do. Now let's see. All right, let's buy a put. Let's follow the trend a little bit. Since we're playing small, our target is just going to be $300. So it's not like, if you play SPX, then you can have, your target can be $3,000, right? So let's add a little bit more put. So we're 2 contracts, holding 2 contracts right now. So we're up to, I think, over $90 in green. So we're in. Let's take some profit here. So we're only holding 1 contract right now. All right, let's do a trail. Let the system do the selling. And let's play something a little bit different. Let's go for a call. Let's play a call. Let's go, against the trend. As you can see, I don't have any strategies or whatnot, and no any special indicator to use or time anything. Just swing things, right? Buy, sell, go put, go call. And just want to show you that you just go swing blindly, and if you have enough size budget, you can play like this and you can still make money. You can still have a green day, right? Of course, I don't advise that. Best is, of course, the timing and buying in the right direction, going with the trend and all that, because if you do this, you're gonna pay a lot of money to your broker. Like if you notice that, like yesterday or the day before, it was over $400 in profit, but at the same time, that's how much you're paying to the broker as well. Like commission-wise, was like $400 in commission that you pay for your broker, right? And you don't want to do that. Sometimes broker fee can eat into a lot of your profits. So we have 3 contracts on the call here, and we're going against the trend. As you can see, the trend is down, but we're going against the trend. Just want to show you that you can go either up or down, call or put. You still can manage to get a green day. You just have to have a enough size budget, and you'll be able to play like this. So we're now up at 5 contracts on the call. Oh, look at that, it's turning green. So we're making some more profits. So let's take some profits here. So we're now down to 2 contracts, 1 contract now. So we are 170 or something like that. So halfway there, halfway to the target. So let's sell everything and let's see. Maybe we go for let's go back to the call. Let's go back to the call here. Okay. Just going for 1 contract because we're going against the trend. Let's not go nuts. Let's just go starting with 1 contract. Oh, it's going in our direction. Look at that. So you probably see that my indicator EMA is very common, 921. Everyone's using that pretty much. Even for the newbies that just start trading, they probably learn or know about the EMA 921. So let's close that call and let's see. Maybe we switch to a put. See here, yeah. Let's start with 1 contract on the put. It's only $1. Oh, 203 there. So start with that. So okay, well, speed is up, so we don't have to sit and wait for too long. And it's not moving much. It's going against me. So let's sell that and let's switch to call since it's looks like direction's going on call. Let's play some call. Get some call options. So it's holding 1 contract right now. Let's forget it. That looks like it's not moving much at all. Okay, let's see. Let's switch to put. This is probably the worst time. Look at, me switching back and forth, sell and then buy, sell and buy. All that you're paying commission, right? You're paying your commissions to the broker, and that's why. Even for the profits that you make, you probably end up paying about the same amount to your broker for the broker fee. So we got 2 contracts right now on the put, going against the trend. Looking at rocking up. Oh, but it's going in our direction now. So yeah, I'm making a little bit profit here. But it's not much, it's still around there. Okay, it's going good. It's over 150, so 200 now. So we're over $200 in profit. So let's take some profit here. So only holding 1 put contract. It dropped down below 200 now, so we're in the green, but a little bit below 200, and now target is 300, right? The chart's not moving violently today, so yeah, let's see how that goes. But we're in the green, we are making profits. So let's play something different here. Let's get a call and put. We got both direction there. So let's we got a call option as well. Let's add another contract to the call. And of course it's going against me because I'm going against the trend with the call option. I just leave the put option there. Yeah, because I just want to show you something a little bit different. You can play both at the same time, right? You can play both call and put at the same time. But of course, you're not going to make very much profit because one's balancing out the other unless you add a lot more contracts, like what I'm doing right now on the call side. Just keep adding more contracts and you increase your average. The market value. Then of course that's where you want it to go. It's you want to go in that direction, right? Like right now I'm playing calls. I'm playing more calls than put. So I want it to go up. Wanted the calls to make money because I have a lot more contracts in there. So I'm up to 5 contracts on the call. I just leave the put the way it is. Just leave it there. And of course that's not how you should play. Okay. It's not the best practice to play both call and put at the same time because you're not going to make a lot of profits that way. So okay, let's cut the put and just focus on the call now. So let's focus on the call side and let's go and hit the 300 profit. Okay, and of course it wouldn't be much fun if you don't go against the trend, right? So now I'm up to 6 contracts holding there, and we're in the green, making a little bit profit because my average price is around 88 and right now it's at 93, so just a little bit more, 92. And of course it's still against the trend right now, as you can see. So it's moving a little bit in my direction and not so much anymore. Now it dropped down to 81. Buy one more contract and then make it 6. Yep, now I'm in the red on the call side. Let's add a couple more contracts here just to lower the average price. It's like trading term is buying the dip, right? And sometimes it just keeps on dipping. And that's why you need a decent size or a big enough size budget to be able to play. And one important thing is never go YOLO. You go YOLO, you will lose. Never go YOLO, okay? You always need to have some ammo just in case things don't go your way. You can use that ammo. So that's a bunch of contracts. I'm up to 12 contracts on the call side because I need to average down, buying the dip. Let's see if it's gonna work out today or if it's gonna blow up my face. Oh, looks like it's moving a little bit on the up. Oh, I'm in the green now, no longer red. I'm 250 something, look at that. Okay, taking some profits, yeah. So I'm down to 10 contracts. So I'm just gonna hold at 10 contracts here for a little bit because the chart's not moving too much. So just gonna leave it at 10 contracts. As you can see, the chart's just kind of stagnant, just sitting around. It's not moving much at all. Sometimes, these things happen. Sometimes just the chart's just not moving, right? You just have to be patient. And sometimes you can just cut it and jump back in later because the longer you hold, you're paying the time decay. So, but I just want to, to always be in action here because otherwise this video is going to be very boring if I just cut it, right? And sit and wait until the action moves. That is normal trading, and this is outrageous trading, right? So I have to show you that I'm always in action. There's always, contracts in place. Oh, it's dropped down there. I'm in the red now, as you can see on the call side. Yeah, minus 40, 44. So let's add a couple more contracts to lower down the average price. And even at that, at 12 contracts, the market value was under $1,000. So we need to average down a little bit further. Add a couple more contracts here. Probably might add a couple more as well. Okay, let's keep it at 14 for the moment. That's okay. One more, two more. So we're up to 16 contracts now. Oh, we up in the green. Let's place some sell orders to take profits. So we're almost to 300, and of course it will drop down. Nothing ever comes easy. Okay, let's see here. Let's place sell order, take some profits at 83 cents. Right now it's at 77 cents. So let's sell 4 contracts at 83 and just leave it there and let it hit. And this is normal trading. Normally I would have a target in place, a sell order, and sit back and let it hit the target. Doesn't work every time, but it works a lot of times. Okay, we sold 4 contracts at 83 cents there. So we took some profits now. We only got 10 contracts left. Let's sell one at 85 cents. Sell 8 contracts here because we're 300 already. We hit our target. We got 300, over 300 actually. So let's place an order to make sure we make decent size profit. And let's sit back and let it hit 85. Because I know it will. Look at that. It's not willing to sell. Okay. We sold. We only have 2 contracts left. It's already over 300, 333. So the last 2 contracts, we're just gonna do a trail, let the system sell it because we hit our target. So how it moves up or down, I forgot to make that 2. So here we do got 2 contracts. Let's close, and we have hit the $300 target, and we have $334. And there we go. So it's a green day again today. So 4 days in a row, and today, a little bit longer than 45 minutes. But just showing you that you can just swing it around because you need to understand the chart. The chart is always up and down. So as long as the best way is to time it, right? And that way you can make the most profits and paying very little broker commission fee. But if you just go blinding, just swing around like what I'm showing here, you can still make a good profit. You can still make $500 a day even with a very small budget. As you have seen so far, I have not used up to $2,000. Not even up there, just only maybe about $1,200 or something like that. That's the most I've used. So and still hit target $400, $300. So and for a very short time, maybe about an hour or less trading in a day, and that's how you can still make a few $100 a day trading for an hour or so or 2. But of course, you would want to play longer and make a lot more money, right? So that's about it for today. Let's hope tomorrow is going to be the same. And today's Thursday, so tomorrow will be the last day of this series, of this demonstration. And Friday. And let's hope tomorrow is going to be a green day again. I will see you again tomorrow.